We quickly stripped 3 paint jobs off of this car using 24 grit fiber resin discs. And I get a lot of comments stating that coarse sandpaper causes sand scratches to show up in the paint. So today I'd like to disprove that myth with a very short but hopefully helpful video. First, it's good to understand that 24 grit fiber resin discs and 36 grit longboard paper and other similar products are made specifically for bodywork. Nothing else. These products are made for body shops. These products are used every day in every body shop across the nation, but nobody knows it because the people know what they're doing and follow a few simple, logical rules. One of those is you can't prime over heavy sand scratches in paint or any other coatings because you have 2 or 3 different products or materials that react differently together with time, temperature, and other factors. You can get away though with priming over scratches in metal because it's just primer and metal. They get along real well. But we're not going to do that either. What we are going to do though is use some 80 grit or 120 grit on an aggressive DA like this National Detroit. It'll feather edge that paint and primer and remove the scratches in the metal. Here's a close-up shot of those scratches in the metal before we use the DA. And here's a close-up shot after using the DA and what it should look like before you prime it. We'll give it a quick coat of Rust-Oleum Automotive Primer. This is very thin, just to show you how smooth it is after that DA. After 3 coats of primer, it looks pretty smooth, but we're not finished yet. We have to block sand it with 120, 150, or 180, prime it again, finish sand with 320 grit or 400, and finally paint it. After that, you're not going to have any issues with scratches showing up in your final paint job. I hope this brief video helps you to understand how and why body shops use coarse sandpaper. Remember, you're going to start with the coarse sandpaper, but finish with a finer grit. If it did help you out, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.